Right, good morning, welcome back. Now today I want to fix this broken screw in the end of this clip-on handlebar where the bar weight used to live. All right, here's the standard setup with your bar weight. You get a machine set screw with a countersunk head. It's got a dome on it as well, and I want that exact spec in stainless steel. I did search about a bit, couldn't find one, but I have got this. It's got the exact head, so that's all good, but the length is wrong. So rather than being correct like that with a 20mm thread sticking out, what I've got instead is big lump of shank. So I've got to bring that thread down with a small modification and cut it off so it's correct, and that will then be right. So plan for the job is to drill all the rubbish at the end of the bar first, get a nice big 10mm hole, tap that out to M10 metric down inside, and then permanently glue that in with red thread lock. That will be my thread insert. Then drill down inside that, cut it to M6 so I can then fit my stainless M6 screw into my stainless thread insert, and hopefully it will never corrode again.
everything has a beginning and an end, and when the face you trust most is no longer the one on which you can depend, when the fight feels futile and life's injustice wins, where's my sunlight when the shitstorm begins? It's not when it's time. It's not when it's transit, never gonna find a home. Back to boxcars in border town. White eyes, mescal, compound. In the city there's a skyrise, beyond, below, above, and there's a billion people I'm not thinking of. Slowly slip into uneasy sleep as Tom McAdam boils under feet. It's not when it's how. 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 Everything has a beginning and an end, and when the face you trust most is no longer the one on which you can depend, when the fight feels futile and life's injustice wins, where's my sunlight when the shitstorm begins?